Okay, this one is the big M and this one is the big M and this is the small M. This one is W, anak, hindi siya M. Oo, pag ginanyan mo siya, pero hindi nga siya M. Ganito yung small M, baby love. Oh, small M. Baby, this is letter M. Oh, this one, letter W. Letter ano to? Huwag ka magagalit sa akin. This is W, baby. It's not M. This is mama. This is the big one. The big letter M. And this is the small letter W. Parang birik talaga. This is the look. Tingnan mo. M. W. Where's the mama? Oh, look. Oh, it's the same. Not like this. Oh, not like that. W. This one is M. Look like lang, baby, pero hindi kasi iba yung letter M. Okay, this one is M. W. Jay, read mo na, read. Read mo na, dali na, read. This one is ano to? Ano to?